It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer.
Oh, one girl can know if like one boy they flirt with them or one girl can know if a boy like them. Like her.
Why? Say 21st century.
Yeah.
So a girl have to know.
Really?
Huh? And a boy, because guys nowadays more determined and more dry-eyed than back in the days. You know?
Me and talk about some gentleman.
Where you gonna find gentleman in I know Lisa?
Really?
I don't know one single gentleman.
That means that you don't know none.
Eh? Well, in the real sense of being a gentleman, I guess I'm not a gentleman. Because when they come in the car, I run out the door for you. You know what I look at thing there, if I'm being honest. Yeah, but because nowadays, woman they vote through, you call it, equal rights. So everyone want equal rights. No man open the door for them nowadays. You see me? You understand? Because we don't want equal rights. I mean, I agree for them to get equal rights. Not the Aisha equal rights, but the real equal rights and justice, you know? So see me like how they can run and open your door, you're supposed to can open my door too. Because I say equal rights, you know what I mean? And enough women bias to, because enough women they say they want equal rights, and when it comes to the test, when you go out for dinner, them don't want to pay. And equal rights you can't want this. Only when it's suitable to them.
Me, you don't know how me say. So me will go have dinner and me pay for my food. Just like a while ago.
You really know, man.
Big
right.
different.
Yeah, you are right. Yeah, but we just say, some woman, not every woman, some woman. So they want equal rights, but yet still only when the convenience.
So our woman, me argue still less straight from the question.
Our woman don't say a nigga like them.
Yeah.
Well, they want to play with them every minute and they look on them, you know, and they laugh with them, you see it. Yeah, enough things. You understand?
Yeah, like Ronald sound like a joke with them.
Yeah. But you know already, man, like somebody like you, I would like you.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Nobody don't like me.
Talk up a thing. Nobody like you, talk up a thing, sir.
No, sir. So you this that, so asking somebody, oh, you know a guy like you gone bad.
Hmm?
No, that's not no.
We just heading for out of town, it look like a storm, rain and fall hard. Or river there over there, so. Yeah.
You even come down.
River don't come down, but maybe we'll see if we can do that glimpse side. Yeah, we're supposed to do that glimpse side river. Yeah, we almost reached the river, but we can't see.